Hey guys, in this video we're going to test the flip-flop for women you can buy right now. I made this checklist based on my personal opinions and study time, and I've listed them based on the security and pricing features. I've included the options for each type of consumer, so you can easily verify this. Flip-flop for women for yourself or your family. We always try to provide customers with informative ideas so that they can easily verify any product. If you would like more information and would like to set an updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Our first choice, the Birkenstock Geyser, isn't the sandal we expected to sweep up our top award, but we couldn't deny its top-notch performance after putting it through our rigorous testing process. It excelled at everything we subjected to. This supremely well-made shoe offers the most support and stability of all our tested models, and it becomes more comfortable the longer you wear it. We were repeatedly impressed by the traction while hiking around on all manner of terrain. And while the aesthetic isn't for everyone, most find it highly stylish. This sandal is an investment though, and you need to be prepared for a longer break-in period while the footbed molds to your feet. At number 2, the Birkenstock Geyser Essentials Ever is a firm version of the classic leather and cork model. It's super lightweight, doesn't require weeks to break in, and retails for less than half the price of the original. If you wanted the most contoured Birkenstock footbed but can't stomach the usual price tag, this is a great alternative. The adjustable strap transforms what would otherwise be just another slippery foam sandal into something that can handle uneven terrain with relative ease. The material is also impervious to water, making this a solid choice for gardening, beach time and more. The drawback of this firm version is that it's less durable and breathable. There's also less oxygen flow because of the design. It really cups the foot and holds it snug. At number 3, the Olukai Ohana is a very comfortable flip-flop that takes zero time to break in. Feeling amazing right out of the box, it's highly durable. The contoured footbed is stable and it offers decent traction both on the bottom sole and the cushy footbed. The design runs a bit big and wide, so it's an excellent choice for those with meatier feet or wider toe boxes. Overall, we find very little to not love about the shoe. It checks all the boxes and performed admirably through all our tests. Although it leans towards the pricier side, the Ohana is still an affordable flip for those that want a more durable long-term option. At number 4, if you want something cheap, stylish and decently versatile, the Crocs Sexy Flip is one to consider. This Italian-inspired sandal has an ankle strap, which is both good-looking and functional. The snug fit adds to the belly there look while also creating more stability than this minimalist flip would otherwise be able to offer. Waterproof rubber means your feet will never be wet for long, and there's no uncomfortable break-in period to worry about. On top of it all, these flips have surprisingly good traction on steep terrain. We were able to walk up and down steep trails covered in pine needles with almost total confidence. On the other hand, the sandals can be sketchy if they get wet from sweat or rain. At number 5, the Hybrid Astral Rosa is a game changer. Say goodbye to the days of needing flip-flops and sandals. Now you can have it all in one. Wear the Rosa without the ankle strap for a simple, sporty flip. Add the strap for more stability and security when the terrain gets more technical. From the campsite to trail to the water, this well-tractioned and versatile shoe could become your go-to for ever warm weather activity. Despite our love for the Rosa, a drawback is the fact that ankle strap sometimes loosens while walking. We found this complaint voiced in several online customer reviews as well. We hope you've enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Until next time, have a nice day.